we do need to understand when well-being is healthy and when well-being is also unhealthy. And if we think about it as in terms of a continuum, the continuum looks like this. So this continuum here is adapted from various well-being and health continuums and research, specifically the Keys mental health continuum and the Delphus mental health continuum. And most people exist somewhere along this spectrum: struggling, surviving, coping, or thriving. And if we're in struggling, the obvious signs of struggle are feeling anxiety, however that shows up for you. Anxiety for me, the precursor is always feeling overwhelmed. So if I have a lot going on and I feel really overwhelmed, the stress makes me very anxious. And then I know that that's my sign that I might be in the struggling zone. But through to thriving, when we're thriving, we're optimistic, we have a future forward lens, we're productive, we're healthy. So we're going to the gym, we're exercising, we're eating well, we're feeling good about ourselves generally. And so when you move up that continuum to thriving and you feel those positive emotions, what happens is you actually start to engage in even more productive habits and behaviors. So it does compound as you get further up. And that continuum is not just about mental health or physical health alone. It's actually about the healthiness of your behaviors under each dimension of well-being.